This is the SmartDevil quick installation screen protector for your smartphone. The kit comes with 3 pieces of glass that's beyond 9H hardness and a jig that helps you put the glass on that makes alignment a no-brainer. Let's do the 30-second challenge. I have my phone, no screen protector, but there's a case on it. We're supposed to clean the screen, dry the screen, and dust off the screen with this sticker. Let's start. I have an extra step here. Gotta open, clean it. Dry it. Sticker. Okay, put that on. Pull it off. Just like that. Okay, and then I guess pull the phone back out. I ran a little bit over, but you get the point. I do see a little bubble here, and they do recommend if you see a bubble, you can lift the glass off a little bit. This doesn't affect the alignment, but once you touch the bubble, put it back down and it's gonna stick on itself. There, no bubbles at all. I'll put my case back on. This is the entire kit. One of the glass covers is already preloaded inside this jig. There are 2 more of them in this envelope for a total of 3 sets. You also have 3 sets of these cleaning wipes. A wet cleaning wipe, you use this first. Number 2 cleaning cloth you use for lenses. And a number 3 dusting stickers to remove any stray dust particles. After we use one piece of the glass, we can remove this and reload it with the new one. There are these holes for alignment. When you put it on, pull it into place. The corners of the glass also have some alignment. So by the time it goes into this jig, it fits in there perfectly and there's just no play at all. There's this piece of sticker here that holds it firmly in place as well. Then we put this flap down, pull this over underneath. The jig guides this plastic piece so it gets pulled very close to the front of the phone. So it's pretty much foolproof in the way they designed this thing when you put the phone in. Look at those little plastic pieces on here. And on the right side, on the bottom, it fits perfectly. On top, it fits perfectly. This is designed to the exact dimensions of your phone. And if you look at my sloppy 48-second application, it's perfectly aligned. Look at the bottom corners as well. Perfectly aligned. When I did this with other screen protectors, you have to be super careful. This should come standard with all screen protectors. On to sacrificing one of these. I'm just gonna pull it off like this. And the front side, pull that off. It's over 90% transmitted. We can do a bend test, but I don't think this is too useful. You want this to be scratch proof, meaning that when you have this on, you still don't want it to get scratched up because you don't want to keep on replacing these things. This is an oleophobic plating. Just a slight tilt and it starts sliding away. Ooh. Wow. I'm pushing quite hard here. Oh my God. Really? Okay, let's try something stronger. I have a pretty sharp razor blade. Maybe this will do it. I'm gonna go lightly at first. Harder. 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 Oh geez. I've had other protectors that would scratch because of this. Interestingly, this scratch right here is on the other side of the glass. It's protected on the front, but not the back side. So I can do this all I want and no scratches. This I'm not too sure, but let's just do it anyway. Oh, wow. Okay. Now I can do a little bit harder. Very durable. A brush. Nope. Still smooth. I know which one I'm gonna buy from now on. They told me it can withstand a hammer too. So let's see. Oh my goodness. What if I go really hard? You know, like really try to break it? Oh Oh my goodness. I'm gonna wear some ear protection and really give it a few bangs. Ear protection on. Ah, there we go. I finally did it. But you guys see how much it took to do this. Insane. So we can try the bend test. Oop. Yeah, it's compromised. It seems like when it's one big crystal, it's very, very, very strong. Crazy. Glass thickness of only 1/3 of a millimeter. The sensitivity is still very, very good. Even the smallest touch, it's still working. If you guys are interested in trying this out, they go for a lot less than I thought they would go for. Check out my affiliate link down in the video description below. I also have a 25% off coupon code for you guys down in the video description below. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time.